At Deep Branch, what we do is we make protein for the animal feed industry by recycling CO2. All we need is carbon dioxide, hydrogen, a source of nitrogen, and a few mineral salts. So it's a bit like making wine, but instead of using the sugar from grapes, we use carbon dioxide from various sources, like heavy industry, and then we use that through a microbe to make a protein. Our technology isn't necessarily about the amount of CO2 that we use, but the amount of CO2 that we displace. Normal forms of protein production are extremely carbon intensive, and we can have a 90% saving. The way that we usually produce bulk protein is quite inefficient. You're having to make way for lots of arable land, which often means deforestation. You're then growing these crops and harvesting them once or twice a year. And despite a lot of energy going into those crops growing leaves and shoots and roots, all you're really using is the beans. Instead, what we do is, we make the protein in a simple way locally and provide something that has the same or better nutritional content, but a much smaller carbon footprint. We are cost competitive. Plant-based protein source, often you're lacking a lot of key essential amino acids, which cost a lot of money to supplement. But our protein source naturally contains those, which means that the value of it is a lot higher. There's a tremendous amount of market pull coming from the animal nutrition sector, from the human food sector as well, for sources of protein. There is a lot of inbound interest that we get for applications that we're heavily involved in, animal nutrition, but also interesting new ones like food and other applications.